Pull up with the racks.
Fell off, went broke, and I bounce right back. Got my money in abundance, my pockets got fat. When you see me, I'm clean, this spit cost a few stacks. Got gas like a tank for the low, I don't tax. Come shot with me once and I bet you come back. My lifestyle is lavish, and I drive fast. I'm a felon, but still ride around with a strap. Draco with the wood and the drum is attached. He claiming he real, but I know where you're at. Smoked him like a wood, turned into a pack. Niggas ain't got a dime, they never sent his stack. And Merc but the low, watch these niggas get mad. She looked and she took, can't get your bitch back. We shopping in demons and shopping at Saks. We taking them trips and we making it back. We hit the strip club and we throwing them racks.
Tell little baby, gon' pull up on me, that's a big. Side got me high like I'm sitting on the jet. But he capping like he him, boy, you fucking with a vet. Yeah, I got it if you want it, I pull up where you at. Big bank tank, little bank, nigga, where you at? Say he got it, but he ain't never pull up with a check. Bitch, I'm popping, got him coming through the front.
Struggle Made Mafia, what it do? It's your boy Struggle Made Money, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Out here today doing an oil change on the Scat Pack. You know, I do everything myself these days, man. The shop try to overcharge you, try to sell you extra stuff. Nah, no sir, not me. But nah, I got this underbelly pan off already. I used a 10mm socket to get it off. Y'all see, I'm already in the process. Got it jacked up, sitting on the jack stands. I'm gonna set y'all up so y'all can see the finishing touches of the oil change. I gotta get this 12 or 14mm socket so I can get this screw off the pan, off the oil pan. So we're gonna go ahead and continue the process, guys. Let's get it. Make sure y'all got something to catch y'all oil with. Make sure y'all let y'all vehicle cool off too, because these screws do get hot under here. Yeah, it was time for an oil change, man. That oil was dark. Let's get y'all to show y'all how dark this oil is. But hey, no matter how dark it is, as long as there's oil in there, you feel me? As long as you got oil in there, it don't matter how dark it is. It's time for a change though. Yes, sir. So after you drain the oil plug, you wanna get your filter off. You wanna get your filter off. My filter is located right here. So I'm gonna get this filter off after I put a screw back in. Drain that filter, replace that filter. And with the screw in, you guys can go ahead and start back putting oil back in the vehicle. Yes, sir. Easy peasy. The shop want to charge you $120, $140 for an oil change. No, sir. Just go buy your oil and do it yourself. You got one screw and an oil filter outside of the underbelly pan. So, yeah. I'm going to cut y'all back on when I'm filling the car back up with oil. All right, guys. So, we underneath the Scat Pack right now. I currently have the oil filter off. That's what it looked like without the oil filter on. I let it drain and then I pulled it on off. You still get a little couple drip drops here and there, but y'all get the picture. I got my oil pan screw back in, which is right here. So I'm gonna put this oil filter back on and then we'll go to the top and proceed to put the oil in. But there's two major things that I wanted to let y'all know about that y'all can't forget about when y'all doing y'all oil changes on whatever car you got. With this oil pan screw, all you want to do is get it hand tight. You don't want to torque it down or nothing, get it too tight. You want to get it hand tight, just enough for your hand to tighten it and get it locked on there. And with the oil filter that I have put on right now, you just want to get it hand tight, snug too as well. You don't want to over tighten this or the oil pan screw. Just wanted to let y'all know that. Do not over tighten these two things, because if you do, your oil pan screw will break off right here and you'll be SOL, shit out of luck. And it's just a pain to get these off when they too tight. So yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that, guys. Hand tighten the oil filter, hand tighten the oil pan screw, and your oil change will go just fine. All right, guys, here we go. We got the car lowered off all the jack stands. Look at my gimbal right here. I didn't even start the video right. Just trying to get this content out for y'all though. So I got it lowered and off all the jack stands. It's time to put this oil in the top. You see I got my cap off, got my dipstick out. Ready for some oil, baby. Let's go. So what I got right here is some Pennzoil SAE 0W40. SRT recommended, you know what I mean? Don't nobody got this oil but the car lots, man, and it sucks. You gotta go all the way to the car lot. I don't know where y'all live from the car lot, but I gotta drive 20 minutes just to get to the car lot from my house. And I got 8 quarts of oil right here, 6 in there, 2 right here. Let's get to filling this thing up.
One bitch ain't enough, yeah, I need me 2 or 3 hoes. Rhyme with some shooters, shooting shit like a free throw. One bitch ain't enough, yeah, I need me 2 or 3 hoes. I be in the streets getting chipped up like Doritos. Rhyme with some shooters, shooting shit like a free throw. Catch me in the club, double cupped up Casamigos. One bitch ain't enough, yeah, I need me 2 or 3 hoes. I be in the streets getting chipped up like Doritos. Rhyme with some shooters, shooting shit like a free throw. Catch me in the club, double cupped up Casamigos. For freak hoes, yeah, they love Casamigos. Some of these bitches, they be bugs like mosquitoes. Sex a bitch once to kick her out, cause I don't need hoes. Before I was getting money, I took shit like I'm Debo. Never let a bitch play me, I'm slick just like wave grease. Was riding Pontiacs, now it's AMG Mercedes. I'm a 90s baby, I wasn't born in the 80s. I came up shooting dice, ripping pockets off with Lil Steve. Them shooters on standby, so don't end up a dead guy. That switch ain't got no aim, so be careful who you stand by. Migos in my cup, I ain't drinking no damn wine. $100 to get in the club, I ain't waiting in no damn line. LV on my cloth, you a worker, I'm a boss. When I put that shit on, bitch, I'm flyer than a moth. If I want it, I'ma buy it, I don't care what it costs. Can't let nothing pass, I'm on your ass, you getting smashed, I'm pissed off. One bitch ain't enough, yeah, I need me 2 or 3 hoes. I be in the streets getting chipped up like Doritos. Rhyme with some shooters, shooting shit like a free throw. Catch me in the club, double cupped up Casamigos. One bitch ain't enough, yeah, I need me 2 or 3 hoes.
7 quarts in right now, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start checking the oil, seeing what my levels are. If I need to tap into this 8 quart. We're gonna go from there, guys.
The Glock sitting in my lap for any nigga think he Debo. Been having my way, got these niggas asking for a Chico. Don't ask what's in my cup, gotta know that this Casamigos. The Migos for the Fricos, Reposado and a Neo. She tryna find me in the club like my name was Nemo. My plug from Mexico, every time he see me, he say gringo.
One bitch ain't enough.
Me, just to keep it safe, I usually go above this little line right here, and that's where I'm comfortable with filling my oil up to right there. Up here it says do not fill, so I go right underneath that, over this thing, and yeah, that's how we come. So I'm gonna add half of this 8th quart, and check it. Maybe not even the whole half, because like I said, the oil expands. She's all filled up. And that's how y'all change the oil on your 2022 Scat Pack. Because that's what I got. But most of these Mopars is all the same when it comes to changing the oil. Yes, sir. Big 6.4 liter. It ain't no game. It's my oil catch can. I will be cleaning that out. Appreciate y'all tuning in. It's hot out here, man. Appreciate y'all sticking with me, rocking with me. We Struggle Made Mafia. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Join the Struggle Made Mafia, y'all. Appreciate y'all tuning in. I'll catch up with y'all in the next video. Peace.